Hello and welcome friends. So previous video we have seen how to get the employee by ID. Like while clicking on the update employee, we are getting the employee by ID and we're passing this ID to the Spring Boot, and Spring Boot returns the data by from the Hibernate. Spring Boot is returning data and we're passing it to the front page, which is the add employee page. Okay, so we need to identify here while saving the data we need to identify that record is for request is for update or is it a request for add employee. So what we need to do, we need to identify that request. I need to just add one thing to my this save method so that I can show you the what is the employee ID when we are passing to the when we are saving using the add employee and when we are saving using get employee. Okay, just save it and we'll get the result. So as I have added the this .emp id in console. Let me show you what we are getting when we are adding the employee id as null, and when I am passing to my uh, backend for saving it. So insert save method, but id as the undefined. So we are getting the id as undefined. On the basis of id we will identify the method request like it is for, because in the when I am going to update the employee details, I will that id will be 253. It is not undefined. Okay, so in this basis we will identify the update and save method. So we need to update this save method for update and say add employee. So what we are going to do here, like I'm checking if the this .emp and emp id equals to undefined, then inside save method, and we are adding the employee, the same thing we have done earlier, but we are checking before that is it undefined or not. And if it is not undefined, then it is the surely the update request. Then we are just calling the update employee function, and in that we are passing the latest emp data. So this update employee method will call my service method, which is the update employee, and in the return it will give me the result of the updated. It will update the employee and give me the updated result of the employee. So this much only to identify the update and save method undefined or not undefined. Okay, so just save it and we'll see the result. So just add a new employee here and we'll update the same. So Reena and computer. So details added for Reena here. Now just refresh it. So 23 are recorded. So yeah, this one. Now just click on update. So 306 the ID and Reena. So we will update the department as cloud and save it. So inside service updating details, inside update method, and Reena is updated successfully here. So Reena is now from cloud. And if you see my console also for the Spring Boot, so you can see the Hibernate update employee, set employee depth name, employee name, where empid, updating employee details. This everything is getting printed on my console, so we can verify from here also that which function is getting called. Okay, so what we have done in this video, to identify the save and update method, we have used the else if else condition to check if the emp id is undefined. If it is undefined, then it is save method. If not, then it is the update for update call. Then we are updating calling the update method of for the service class, and service class is going to interact with our Spring Boot, and it is giving us the updated employee details. And refresh content also we have added on the employee details page, which will refresh it. This is the Ion refresher, which is refreshing the content, which is calling the do refresh method, and do refresh method is refreshing our content. Let me show you that also. This one do refresh function is calling load all function, and load all function is calling the function which is get all employee, and get all employee function we have defined in the service class. In the service class, it is interacting with the Spring Boot and giving me the all the result. So I hope you understood this update employee details function using HTTP put method. So in next video we will see the how to delete the employee by using the ID. So please subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you.